ColorEspresso. Brand Amazon Basics. StyleRubberwood Furniture. MaterialWood. Age range, description, child. Unit count 2.0 count. Set of 2 kids' chairs for eating, playing, watching TV, reading, and more. Smooth white board-like seat surface for drawing or writing with dry erase markers. Durable, sturdy wood frame and legs. Slightly rounded edges for extra safety. Easy assembly with hardware, components, and instructions included. 17.85 inches high. Compatible with most standard kids' tables. Top reviews from the United States. Nice design. Nice chairs. I like the white seats. I think they make the chairs more appealing. I am not going to use them for drawing, just like how they look. The labels are only cons I noticed so far.